Hey, Will here from Print On Demand Coach. So I want to do a quick walkthrough, show you what you get with your free membership. No credit card, no trial, none of that. You're just coming in. You're going to enjoy the community like the rest of us, as well as get a little bonus there too. But so here's the problem. Most Print On Demand groups are basically a disaster. There's scammers, there's direct message hustlers, there's fake gurus. So I was like, you know what? I'm tired of being on somebody else's platform. I'm just going to completely create my own. So I did, and this is what you're looking at. So when you log in, you're going to see this screen. It's your onboarding checklist, and there's like a message from me, set up what you get. The golden rule is the only stupid question is the one not asked. That's been my rule for like 19 years here. And then stop chasing products, start owning the calendar. So you don't need another winning design. You need a revenue plan. That's what we got there. Your revenue calendar, what members say, and then a free kind of little FAQ. But the important part is the checklist right here. So you can go and navigate anywhere you want on the site right now. The checklist will show on the community for you. So first things first, go and set your display name. That's a benefit here. You can be anonymous. We don't need to know your first and last name, which is why Facebook groups, I don't get it. Pre-Facebook, people were anonymous on the internet, and it was wonderful. We had forums, and we could go, and nobody could look us up and see where we lived and what we did for a living and who our family members were, and all that personal, private information was personal and private. Nobody knew it. That's what I'm going back to with this, with my community and my platform. I don't really want everybody to know your name, your first name, your last name. So go and set your display name. Set it to whatever you want. Put like Sweet Cheeks. It doesn't matter to me. Go and do that first, and then read the start here, and then introduce yourself. That's about it. You can go to the menu too right now. You can go to the community. So hit that little thing. It'll take you to the home. And this welcome will stay on here until you complete these, and then it'll go away. But you can read the posts. So you can read any posts you want. You can go through. You can interact with everybody in here too. Go back to the community. You can make a post a new thread, view the newest ones, view newest posts. If you see a post and you want to follow it, you can follow it with email notifications. When you make a post, you can also follow your post with email notifications too, which you can turn off and on in your settings. So if you don't want any email at all, just shut it off in settings, which is under your profile. So you go to the menu, and what you get is basically the community, which is awesome. You can post, get help, get support from me, from all the other members, as well as AI Will, which is a clone of me, who's actually, I forced him to sit down and go through every single training that I've ever done. So he learns exactly how I speak, how I act, what I know, and he actually knows more. So when you do a thread too, you can go down to the bottom there, and you can click this, ask AI Will to reply, and you will get a response instantly from AI Will right in the thread. It's super cool. Now, the other thing you get as a free member, not only the community, but if you go to the menu and you go to video library, you get access to this. So there is currently 808 videos in here, and all you have to do is type what you want to look for. So you could go like Facebook ads, and you hit enter. And now all the videos, now I got to get rid of these shorts, but these are from me and my channel. So how to use the platform, how to sell message card necklaces with Etsy, on Etsy with Shine On. These are old challenges that I actually made public. How to build an email list for your print on demand store, Etsy or Shopify. How to sell personalized mugs. So you could even type in, if you wanted, instead of Facebook ads, you could go like, I don't know, let's do t-shirts, see what comes up. There's probably a ton on that. How to create Father's Day mugs and t-shirts, how to let go of your ugly designs, how to sell St. Patrick's Day t-shirts with TikTok ads, print on demand guide. There's a bunch. There's a ton in here. So you can go through those, and when you click it, you can view it. So if I click on this, it will actually load the video. The summary is right here. Key moments are in there. The details as well. Actually, I should probably remove that. You guys don't care about that. But the point is, you have access to a boatload of training in the free plan, as well as a boatload of support in the community. And the catch is, there isn't a catch. Okay? It's free, no credit card, no trial, no shenanigans. You get access, post anonymously, and search my video vault of currently 808 videos, and more are going up all the time. So if you want the fast lane, which is paid membership, and this is totally optional, you do not have to do this. I'm not going to pressure you at all to do that either. You can. So currently, you're seeing the whole print on demand coach kind of ecosystem as a paid member would, right? So you got your community, your dashboard. However, if you click on dashboard or my plan or my journal or private help desk or tools or live training or replays, you're going to get this screen, okay? Because this is a members only feature. Now you can upgrade if you want, which will take you to an order form. Use the same email that you use for your free account, and you can upgrade. That will unlock everything else. So it will unlock the dashboard, which actually is unlocked kinda, I guess. So you get a journal. There's today's question. Did you see this? Your plan, which we put together for you, you can upgrade. Your private journal is there. The private help desk is there. That is me, you, and AI Will one-on-one. You get the community. The live trainings you can get. Replays, you'll get access to all those, the new ones. And then the tools as well. So I've got 4 tools that the paid members get right in there. If you click on any of these other ones, it'll just say the same thing, okay? But the key is, I'm not worried about that. What I want you to do is get in here and participate, engage, ask for help, get support. I'll help you. Other people will help you. Completely free. If you need any kind of training at all, go to the video vault and search for what you need and just go through the videos, and you'll actually see in the video library, because there is so much. I've covered every single thing over the years. Like, there's a boatload of stuff in here. Tons and tons and tons that I've posted from, oh man, basically since that YouTube channel started. And it's all pulled in automatically here too. So there's a lot of cool features, a lot of things that you can use, but the key is get in there, go through that nice little checklist, finish it off, and then participate in the community. So click the join for free, get inside, lurk, post, ask questions, upgrade only if you want to go faster. All right, we'll see you in the inside. We'll be waiting for you. Have a great day.